Welcome back to the Mexican Food Channel. Today we're making shrimp tacos. Let's get started. These are all the vegetables we're going to use, but we're gonna start with the purple cabbage. We're just gonna need about a fourth of it, but we're gonna chop it up very finely. Alright, come on, do it with me. Let's chop it up.
Chop it up super finely.
Alright, now to the green cabbage. We're gonna do a little less than the other one. Now that we're done with those, we're gonna move on to the tomatoes. We're gonna chop them up into small pieces. Try to cut around the seeds because it makes the taco soggy. Alright, now we're gonna get a bunch of cilantro and dice it up. Next, we're gonna get 2 avocados and cut them up like this. Go ahead and add the avocado into the cabbage bowl. We're gonna add a pinch of salt. This is to your liking. Next, we're gonna cut up 2 limes and squeeze them in there. Alrighty, time to mix it up. Next, we're gonna peel 3 cloves of garlic. The most important part is to cut the garlic very, very thin. Now that we have that ready, we're gonna prepare our cheese. We're using 2 types of cheese. We're using pepper jack cheese and queso fresco. And this is the queso fresco. Alright, let's prepare our shrimp. We're gonna add olive oil to the pan and let it heat up while we prepare them. First, sprinkle your favorite lemon pepper onto them. Next, we're gonna add a little bit of cayenne pepper onto this. If you like them spicy, go ahead and add some more. Next, we're gonna add a little bit of black pepper. Go ahead and mix it up. And if you need to add a little bit more cayenne pepper, go ahead. Alright, let's take these to cook. We're gonna start off by adding the garlic that we chopped out before into the oil. Add the shrimp. These shrimp gave up a lot of water. We don't like that, so we're gonna go ahead and drain them out. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and let them cook a little bit more so they can get crispy. They're ready. Go ahead and take them out.
I only eat one.
They're spicy.
Let's put this taco together. Heat up your tortilla de harina. You're gonna know it's ready when the little bubbles start coming out. Flip it over and add your pepper jack cheese. Take it out the heat and let's add the rest of the ingredients.
Okay.
Add in your salad first.
Eat this?
The shrimp go on next. You're gonna drizzle a little bit of Casique sour cream onto it. And lastly, your queso fresco. Alrighty, don't forget to add a little bit of hot sauce if you like. I really like this recipe. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you think on the comments. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and see you guys on the next one.